What if I told you that you can achieve radiant skin, fresh breath, and top-tier hygiene without spending a single money? Well babe, today is all about your $0 glow up. A complete self-care transformation using things you already have at home. Forget pricey products and overcomplicated routines. We're diving into clever shower tricks, hygiene secrets, healthy habits, and home workouts that'll level up your body and energy without touching your wallet. So grab your fave drink and a cute notebook and let's get glowing. Part 1. The Body Glow Up. Alright my blossoms, let's start strong because your body deserves to glow like the goddess you are. Step 1. Morning lemon water detox. First thing in the morning, drink a glass of warm water with a squeeze of lemon or lime. It's like a natural internal cleanser, flushing toxins, helping digestion, and making your skin look awake and radiant. Step 2. Ice facial wake up. Icy water is magic for tired skin. Fill a bowl with ice water and dip your face in for 5 to 10 seconds. Do this 3 times. Or rub an ice cube across your face in upward motions for 1 minute. Instant freshness. Step 3. DIY body brightening mask. Boil 1 tomato until the skin peels off. Mash it and mix it with 4 tablespoons of milk until creamy. Apply this all over your body. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Then rinse with lukewarm water. Smooth glowing skin. Free. Part 2. The Bath Time Glow Up. The real body glow begins in your shower routine, babe. Step 1. Wash hair first. Let's be real, no one's going to tell you, hey, your scalp smells like leftover fries. But babe, they will think it. That's why washing your hair before your body is a must. When you leave shampoo and conditioner on your skin, it can cause breakouts, especially on your back and shoulders. So start by thoroughly wetting. Step 2. Dry brushing magic. Before hopping into the shower, use a dry towel or loofah to brush your skin, especially elbows, knees, and thighs. This boosts circulation and gives your skin that silky finish. Step 3. The double cleanse method. First, wash your body with bar soap. Then use a homemade scrub. Mix sugar with olive oil and gently exfoliate. Rinse, wash again with soap to remove excess oil and feel that baby soft glow. Part 3. Hygiene Glow Up. Now let's talk hygiene, because nothing beats a fresh, clean scent and a confident aura. Step 1. Tongue scraping. Brushing isn't enough, babe. Use a clean metal spoon to gently scrape your tongue from back to front. Rinse between scrapes. This keeps bad breath and bacteria away. Step 2. Oil pulling ritual. Swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 5 to 10 minutes. It removes toxins, freshens breath, and even whitens teeth. Just don't spit it in the sink. Use a trash can. Step 3. Lemon for fresh pits. Cut a lemon and rub it on clean underarms. It naturally kills odor-causing bacteria and helps lighten dark patches. Rinse after 5 minutes and moisturize with a little olive oil. Step 4. DIY long-lasting scent bomb. Melt a small amount of Vaseline. Add your fave essential oil like rose or vanilla. Mix well and chill it. Dab a bit on your pulse points. Smells dreamy and lasts longer than sprays. Step 5. Soft feet treatment. Soak your feet in warm water with lemon or salt. Scrub your nails and heels gently, then moisturize with coconut or olive oil. Wear socks overnight to wake up with baby soft feet. Part 4. The Inner Glow Up. No glow up is complete without taking care of your insides too. Step 1. Fruit power. Have at least 1 fruit a day, banana, apple, grapes, or a smoothie. Fruits are full of skin-loving vitamins and help your body stay energized and radiant. Step 2. Stay hydrated. Set a 2-hour alarm on your phone to remind you to drink water. Also, drink a glass before every meal. Hydrated skin equals glowing skin. Step 3. Mindset reset. Glow-ups are more than physical. They start with how you feel about yourself. Write 3 things you're thankful for each morning. Say your affirmations out loud in the mirror. I'm glowing, I'm strong, and amazing things flow to me. And don't forget to smile at yourself. You deserve all this love. Step 4. Be active. You don't need the gym. Your room and YouTube are enough. Let's turn your bedroom into your gym. Every morning do 20 squats, 10 lunges each leg, 30-second plank. After working out, stretch for 5 minutes. Face your bed, put elbows on it, and stretch your body inward for 30 seconds. Get on all fours and do cat or cow pose for 30 seconds. Finish with deep breathing. Sit up, breathe in for 5 seconds, hold for 5, and breathe out. Repeat this 3 times. This routine keeps your body fit and your blood pumping. If you're trying to get that flat belly and curves in all the right places, then you should definitely watch this video.